stopped paying for what you don't use? Here's how to get your YouTube TV refund in just a few minutes. I'm Roberto from System Sleek Guides, and today we're walking through the official YouTube TV refund process step by step. First, ensure you're logged into the Google account associated with your subscription to avoid any processing delays. Navigate to your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. From here, go to the Billing tab and select Membership to verify your current subscription details. To access the refund form, search for the YouTube TV refund request page in the official Google Help Center. Please note, these steps apply to your own account and your own device or app only. Avoid third-party recovery services. Locate the specific transaction you wish to dispute and click Request a Refund to begin the formal submission. Select the reason for your request. Be honest and concise. Common reasons include accidental purchases or technical issues. If prompted, provide any necessary additional details to help support agents process your claim faster. Once reviewed, click Submit. You'll receive a confirmation email within 24 hours regarding the status of your request. If you encounter issues, you can contact the official support line directly at 8333-892-054 for assistance. Following these official steps is the only secure way to manage your YouTube TV billing and avoid potential scams. For more direct, expert troubleshooting guides, subscribe to System Sleek Guides. I'm Roberto, and I'll see you in the next one.